What's up guys, today we are looking at a crossbody case that you can, basically a phone necklace type thing. So this is, the brand is Puyu, P-U-Y-U and Z-H-E, don't know how to pronounce that, but it's like a lanyard strap anyway. Let's just do an unboxing here. There we go. So it comes, it's compatible for lots of phones. It's bought from Amazon for about £9. Goes from iPhone 7, 7 Plus, all the way to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This one is for the iPhone XR. And here it is. So this is just a silicone case. Smooth. Some scratches here. Don't know if that's from the packaging. Back here has kind of like a rougher surface. It's not smooth. And here there are two bits sticking out that holds this strap here like so. And you can adjust this to your size. So I see a lot of like elementary school kids use this because their parents give them a phone so they can call them, and they just hang it around their neck, so it's not easy for others to steal or for them to lose. Yeah, this strap goes quite long as well. How long is that? About a meter in length, and it is quite long. Not much else to say about it. This looks like strong shoelace, and you can also get it in a variety of different colors as well. This is just the plain black. You can get it in clear, blue, gray, red, pink, and white and silver. And the lace that you get with it, or the strap or whatever you call it, matches the color that you get also. Yeah, looks like it does a decent job. Just a quick note on this case. The pro is that it's very hard to lose, or get the phone stolen. But if they pull hard enough, they can pull it from the case. The case is not that tight. The con is if you're hanging it around your neck and you have a big phone, like a heavy enough phone that's like 200, 300 grams, it will get sore, leave a mark on your neck. If you hold it like a sling bag, so it goes across your shoulder, it's not as bad, but yeah, it can hurt because this lace is not that comfortable, especially with a heavy phone. Yeah, not much else to say about it. All right, if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.